If you're studying A-level business studies, CIE, Cambridge, well, here's a little bit of help for you. You've probably got a textbook, hopefully you've got a teacher, but there's nothing better than one-to-one help. Well, we live in the world of AI now. You can go straight to ChatGPT, but you're probably finding you have to explain who you are and what you want to know, and then the pitch is going to be too high or too low. I've set up a little bit of help. It's in the comments section. You can see it on my screen, but click the link in the comments. It will take you absolutely free. This is trained upon your syllabus, knowing all of the content that you need to know and pitches it at the level that you need to know it at. You don't have to say the name of the title. You can go straight to the syllabus point, as I'm saying, 1.1, and say, I'm struggling with that. It will explain it, talk back and forth, treat it just like a human tutor, and it should be there to help you out. If you find this useful, follow. I'm going to be creating more videos like this.